Recently, my hair has been splitting and breaking so much.
It just doesn't feel the same.
I miss the time jab hair fall kam tha, leaving me all stressed out.
You are such a big part of my personality and identity, and on the days that you don't feel so good,
Recently, I've been having a lot of split ends, and I don't understand where have I gone wrong. So dry and rough and increasing hair fall.
बाल कितने पतले हो गए हैं because of hair fall. Maybe I should have cared more about you.
So much better, just like before.
so smooth, so full of life, so nourished.
And I can easily run my fingers through my hair.
Super smooth, super healthy.